In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can force restart your ROG Xbox Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, sometimes your ROG Ally might freeze on a game, it might get stuck in a menu, it might stop responding to buttons, and it may even completely ignore your touchscreen input. No matter what you press, maybe nothing's working, and instead of waiting for the battery to die, which could take a very long time, you could technically force restart it. To do this, locate the power button on the top of the device and just press and hold down on it continuously. Just keep holding it down even if nothing happens at first. The screen looks frozen and you briefly see something that says like slide to shut down. Keep holding it down, and after several seconds, the screen will go completely black. That means the device has fully forced shut down. Now simply press the power button once, wait for the device to boot back up, and you'll see the screen light back up, the joysticks start illuminating, and your windows will begin loading again. And just like that, you're back in. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We got a ton of ROG Xbox Ally X videos here on this channel, so make sure you check those out. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.